If you ever schedule a post on Instagram and you want to adjust anything and you can't find it, this is how to find where it is. From your home page, click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Click on the three horizontal lines. Scroll down until you find Account Type and Tools. Now click on Scheduled Contents. Here you will find the post you scheduled. Click on the three dots next to your reel. Click on Edit to adjust anything you need to adjust. Or tap on the reel itself. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. Click on Edit Reel. Go ahead and adjust anything that needs to be adjusted in your reel. Click Done. To reschedule the reel, click on the three dots again. Click Schedule. Pick your date and time. Then click Done. To delete the scheduled content, click on the three dots again. Click Delete. Then click Delete again. To schedule another post or reel, click on Schedule New. Pick a new reel or post. Basically, this is how to find your scheduled post or reel. And if you find this video helpful, subscribe, like, and share.